My name is Shakeeb Syed. I am a data scientist for Nationwide. I've been a data scientist for over 10 years. With all the craze around generation AI, our company has assembled basically a squad of data scientists to look into prospects of productionalizing some of the Gen AI products internally so we can help our sales agent, our marketing department access information more efficiently and get them out of the door, make those sales and revenue and profit margin higher. We came across Dojo Science and they had a perfect boot camp that fit our needs perfectly. We got pretty much the breadth and the width of what we needed out of this boot camp to go and develop products. Honestly, this boot camp surpassed even my best expectations. We went and did some hands-on training from a coding perspective. We built a product, we developed it, productionalized it, saw it in action. I liked all of the talks. I liked Karthik's, Luis Serrano's, and Sophie's presentation the most. All of them were great. Sophie stood out because I saw, as Nationwide is a huge company, so seeing one other company that is big implementing their Gen AI product and how they were doing it gives us ideas of how to implement it in our own stratosphere. Serrano was great because they gave us a good conceptual understanding of how embeddings work, and Karthik was just generally very good at explaining this whole architecture to us. So all of this came together really well. Whether you don't have a machine learning background, coding background or not is quite irrelevant. The way class structure is set up, people can pick up real fast. The templates are very, very easy to follow. So that helps getting up to speed, going through the class, understanding the concept very fast. This is a very conceptual understanding of the whole life cycle of Gen AI. I don't think you need any expertise in data science, coding, of that matter, to get through this and come out feeling like you've gained something. I think this bootcamp will benefit anybody who is even peripherally interested in what Gen AI is all about. Whether it's career-oriented or not, I think anybody who wants to do this bootcamp will come with a fulfilling feeling after it's done.